Question number 7. In figure, circle with center X and circle with center Y touch each other in point Z. A secant through Z intersects the circle in point A and another circle in point B. Prove that radius XA parallel to radius BY. Now this question is in fill in the blank form, like activity question. Complete the blanks. Draw segments XZ and YZ. XZ and YZ. By the theorem of touching circles, center of circles and point of contact are always collinear. So these 3 points are always collinear. So angle XZA congruent to angle BZY, opposite angles. Angle XZA congruent to angle BZY, let its measure be A. So XA congruent with XZ, radii of same circle. So measure of angle A and measure of angle Z, that is XAZ, and angle XZA is equal to A degrees. Isosceles triangle theorem. Angle XAZ and angle XZA is equal to, we are saying, A, right? Similarly, YB congruent to segment YZ, radii of the same circle. Angle YBZ congruent to angle YZB, let it be A degree. Now this is A degree, vertically opposite. So this is congruent, this is A degree, so this is also A degree. But angle XAZ, which is A degree, and angle ZBY, this is also A degree. So which are these two angles? These two angles are alternate angles, and so radius XA is parallel to radius BY. Question number 8. In given figure, circle with center X and circle with center Y touch internally at point Z. BZ is the chord of bigger circle and it intersects the smaller circle in point A. Prove that AX is parallel to BY. Prove this. Circle with center X and Y touch each other internally at point Z. Join YZ. So Y, X and Z are collinear points by the theorem of touching circles. XA congruent to XZ, radii of the same circle. Angle XAZ congruent to angle XZA, isosceles triangle theorem. Similarly, in triangle YBZ, we have angle YBZ congruent to angle YZB, isosceles triangle theorem, because YZ congruent with YB, radii of the same circle with center Y. And therefore from above two equations, what you have, angle XAZ congruent to angle YBZ. So pair of corresponding angles formed by transversal on two lines is congruent. Then this AX is parallel to BY. AX is parallel to BY. Segment AX parallel to segment BY because of these corresponding angles. Corresponding angle test for parallel lines. Question number 9. In given figure, line L touches the circle with center O at point P. Q is midpoint of OP. RS is a chord of a circle passing through Q such that RS is parallel to this line L. RS is 12. Find the radius of the circle. Now it is given that L touches the circle with center O at point P. So this is point P. Observe the diagram. Line L, circle with center O, touches at P. Angle OPX is 90 degrees. Take any point on the circle. Now this is tangent at any point on the circle perpendicular to the radius through point of contact. Now you join OR. Chord RS is parallel to line L. This is given to you. Angle OQR is 90 degree. So these two are corresponding angles. Q is midpoint of RS, it is given. Therefore, RQ is 6 and QS is 6 units. R is radius of circle. OR. OP is also radius of circle. Q is midpoint of OP. So therefore, OQ distance is R by 2 and QP distance is R by 2. In triangle OQR, apply Pythagoras theorem. OR square is equal to OQ square plus RQ square. So R square is equal to R by 2 square plus 6 square. So R square minus this is R square by 4 is equal to 36. Simplify this. R square minus R square by 4. So your LCM is 4. 4R square minus R square, it is 3R square by 4 is equal to 36. R is equal to 4 root 3. So radius of the circle is 4 root